Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I just got my grocery haul. I picked it up from Walmart, so I'm going to share with you our meal plan for the week. I have it here. I'm going to share with you all the groceries that I got. So this week I went a little bit over budget. I was at $220. I like to keep it at $200 every week for all of our meals, but I had to go over a little bit this week, but that's okay. So this is everything we're having. I have a family of 4, me and my husband and my 2 boys. So I'll share with you our dinners, and I'm also going to be making a special video this Friday. Make sure you come back and check it out. I'm going to be making some pies, and I'm in a collaboration with my good friends Leanne and Tony, and it is called March of Pies, or Pies of March is the collaboration. So everyone's going to be doing pies every day. So I'm going to share with you 3 pie recipes that I have, and they're going to be wonderful. So check back on Friday for that video. And let me show you all the groceries that I have for this week. Make sure you click subscribe if you're new. And if you enjoy some meal planning motivation, I've got lots of that on my channel for you. So make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you everything I got and share with you our meal plan. Okay, so here is the $220 worth of groceries. I got a ton of stuff. My counter is absolutely packed this week. So let me start over on this side. And I got some extra things besides groceries. I got some deodorant and some face wash. And I got 2 deodorants because there was a clippable coupon for $5 if I bought 2. And these are $5.97 each. So basically I got 1 for almost free, which I always love that. So I got 2 of these. And then this is the face wash that my husband uses. Here's some of my pie ingredients. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a bunch of pies for a video that you will see on Friday. So make sure you come back on Friday and check it out. So I got 3 different pie crusts. I got the graham cracker crust. I'm going to do a key lime pie. I'm going to do a root beer pie and a lemon pie. And they're all going to be no bake. One's a Weight Watchers recipe. The other one is not Weight Watchers, but it is... what is it? Let me see. It's just called a skinny no-bake key lime pie. So, some pies coming out this week, and I'm really excited to make these for you guys. So also got some Greek yogurt. My husband loves snacks with vanilla Greek yogurt, and he puts blueberries and walnuts on it. Pistachios. We love pistachios. I got a little bit of a smaller bag this week because we still have quite a bit left over from last week. A bunch of Cool Whip for the pies. 2 things of Cheerios. If you've been around my channel, you know I get 2 boxes at a time because when I buy 2, there's a coupon. I love that. I got some Kodiak pancake waffle mix. So this is like 3 or 4 times the cost of the Walmart brand, but I got it last time, wanted to try it out, and it is way tasty. I tried it. My kids love it. And it has 15 grams of protein per serving. So even though it's way more expensive than Walmart brand, it is really, really good. And I just love that it has lots of protein in it. So I'm going to be getting this Kodiak's brand. They have a chocolate mix also, like a chocolate pancake mix. I might have to try that one of these days, but really, really good. Gallon of milk. We do whole milk for cereal and drinks and everything. I have 2 things of almond milk that my husband uses for smoothies and protein shakes. I have some mushrooms. I am going to be doing a beef stroganoff one day this week, so mushrooms for that, and the egg noodles for the beef stroganoff. Lots of shredded cheese. We go through a ton of shredded cheese. Sliced cheese because we're going to be doing smash burgers one night this week. Caesar dressing. Going to be doing Caesar salad. This is my favorite dressing. If you've been around my channel, I get this every few weeks because I absolutely love it. Croutons for Caesar salad. Chicken. We get a pack of chicken, sometimes 2 packs a week, and grill it up for salads and sandwiches. Lots of bananas. We put it in 2 separate bags. I got a ton this week. My kids they eat a bunch of bananas. Under here's avocados. Here's some lettuce for the Caesar salads. I got 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese. This Walmart brand, we really like this one. My kids like these spirals all of a sudden. I got them on accident one time, and now they only want the spiral shapes. But this box is only 54 cents, so it's so inexpensive. And we're actually babysitting my parents' dog for a couple weeks, and he loves mac and cheese. So got a whole bunch, got 4 boxes this time. Cottage cheese, my favorite snack. This mixed berry drink enhancer, my husband and I live off of this. It has electrolytes in it, B vitamins, and it makes water so tasty. I could just drink water all day long. It is so, so good. So we love this one. There's other flavors too. I recently last week tried a pineapple mango, and I love it. It's really good, but it doesn't have the electrolytes in it, but the flavoring is amazing. We've got 2 things of chicken noodle soup. It was really, really cold and rainy this weekend, so definitely wanted to get some extra soup to have in the pantry just in case we have some more cold, rainy days. A bunch of taco seasoning. I was totally out, and I like this one, the Great Value one, so just got these to stock up. Better Than Bouillon, I use this to make chicken broth. It's just great. You just take a tablespoon and add it to your water, mix it. I whisk it, mix it with a whisk. And I've been doing a ton of crock pot videos, or crock pot recipes, and I have been recording them for you. So stay tuned soon. I will be sharing with you all my crock pot recipes. I'm going to do a couple more this week, and then I will share a video with you soon on all of those. I got some tuna. We're gonna do pizza one night. This is our favorite pepperoni DiGiorno. It's we like it better than any kind of takeout, so love it. Beef broth for one of my crockpot recipes. Graham crackers. My kids have been loving graham crackers as a little tiny dessert lately. Broccoli is our favorite veggie, and I also got a couple zucchinis in here. Salami. It's what I put in Zachary's lunches. He just loves salami. Lots and lots of apples. I think I got 12 apples this week. We go through the apples like crazy. Here's an onion, 2 packs of strawberries. They actually substituted these. I just ordered 1 2-pound box, but they substituted with 2 1-pounds, which is fine. Hamburger buns for smash burgers, frozen strawberries for smoothies, a big box of wheat thins. We were out. This will last us quite a while, but wanted to make sure we had some in the pantry just in case. Big box of popcorn, and 12 packs. It's like the light butter one, so we like to have that as a snack. Vermont maple sausage, super awesome. It's just frozen, and you just microwave it. This is what we have for breakfast a lot of the time. Sandwich thins for my husband, sandwiches that he takes to work. Bread, this is the kind of bread that Benjamin likes for his peanut butter sandwiches that I send to school. 2 packs of 18-pack eggs. They went down in price. They were only $4.10 this week. Last week, they were $7, so I'm so glad they're a little bit cheaper. I got these chili Fritos. I'm going to be making a corn salad when we have smash burgers. It is so, so good. It's corn, mayonnaise, onion, cheese, and then these chili cheese Fritos. Oh my gosh, it is really delicious. It's perfect side dish for hamburgers, for barbecue parties in the summertime. So really, really good. And then I got a thing of root beer. We do not drink soda, but one of the recipes I'm going to be making for the pies calls for root beer. It's going to be a root beer float pie. So it should be really tasty. So I just needed a little bit, but I got that big bottle because it was the cheapest way to get the root beer. So this is all of our groceries for the week, and I wrote down the meals that we're gonna have. So we're gonna have smash burgers. I'm gonna do a crock pot Cajun chicken on Monday. Like I said, I've been using my crock pot a lot, and it has been so fun, and the recipes have been turning out so wonderful. So I'm gonna do crock pot Cajun chicken. We're gonna do spaghetti and meatballs. My kids have been obsessed with spaghetti and meatballs lately. I'm gonna do a crock pot angel chicken. I'm gonna do beef stroganoff. I have a bunch of beef that I got last week that I froze, ground beef, so that's in my freezer right now. We're gonna do pizza on Friday, and then Caesar salad on Saturday. And then here's the pies that I'm gonna make for my video on Friday. I'm really, really excited. So they're all no-bake pies. So I'm gonna do key lime pie, lemon pie, and root beer pie. So I am really excited to make those and share those with you. So here are all of the groceries. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy grocery hauls, make sure you click subscribe. And I have tons of other videos on my channel, so make sure you check them out. Hope you have a really wonderful day. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.